The first step in the setup of the Star Power exhibit is to unpack our transport box. The first item taken out is our container that holds all our exhibit items, including our nuclear, solar, wind, battery, and blank game pieces. Then, a different box is taken out that holds our button, 3D Mario lamp, red board, and any spare batteries or components that the exhibit might need in case of damage. Lastly, the game board is taken out along with the additional laminated information sheets. The exhibit's poster board is then placed on a table along with the game board. As shown, the poster board has two electrical components, the first being the main board's LEDs, which represent the amount of energy needed to power the day. To the right of that is the stats LED board, which only needs to be plugged into a 5-volt power supply to be functioning properly. The main board LEDs are taken down and connected to the red board and breadboard, which is placed on a spark fun kit, after which the button and 3D Mario lamp are wired into the red board. The exhibit is fully functioning after it has been wired up and connected to a computer. By using different patterns of nuclear, solar, wind, and blank blocks, different amounts of LEDs are turned green. Some combinations like solar and nuclear can be seen being placed on the morning time slot on the game board. Nuclear powers 3 rows and solar powers 1 row, which adds up to 4 as seen on the middle of the poster board under morning. All the stats, including how much power each system produces, is on the stats board, which is on the left-hand side of the poster board. This board also shows the benefits and drawbacks of each energy production system. These are further explained by the pop-outs on the poster board and the slideshow on the right-hand side of the poster board. After the user believes they have finished the game, they must then press the button. Once pressed, the 3D Mario lamp changes colors according to the score. The environmental harm and financial cost of each power production system and power storage system is then added up to calculate the score for the user. There are 5 scoring tiers, purple being the best and impossible to reach. The design team decided that by demonstrating there is no possible way to power the kingdom and have no environmental harm and financial cost, the exhibit would show that there are always drawbacks to any type of energy production system. Colors blue, green, and yellow demonstrate different tiers of acceptability when it comes to producing energy for the day, while the red tier demonstrates a failure in the allocation of energy through the day. The stats LED's power supply is taken off first. The main board LED wires, red board, and breadboards are then pushed through the bottom of the poster to be dewired on the other side. At the same time, all the game pieces are taken off the board and placed in the container. Then the game board is dewired alongside the LEDs, button, and 3D Mario lamp, after which it is all packed up in the transport box.